Welcome to IriusRisk Threat Modeling Tool. This will be very much a whistle-stop tour of how you can use our tool to manage your risk effectively. As you can see, there are a few options here. You can start with a brand new project from scratch. You can import projects from other areas such as your Terraform or Visio files, or you can choose to model with AI. As you can see, there are a couple of examples here. So let's go for code for a banking application. And then what our AI assistant called Jeff does, it takes this. It can also take from Jira epics, meeting notes, and many more sources. And it comes up with the components that you need to create the architecture of your diagram. And then from there, you get a fully generated threat model, complete with threats. And let's just take one that I did earlier. As you can see, here is the architecture diagram. You can easily move things around. You can drag and drop from the left-hand side from the selection of components and trust zones. You can also annotate further with data flow information. You can answer component questionnaires and basically just give as much context as you wish to your diagram. You then update your model and head on over to your threats and countermeasures to see what actions are to be taken. So on the left, you can see we have a number of threats, and these are also mapped to the STRIDE threat modeling methodology. And then on the right hand side, we have the countermeasures, which are the security controls that you need to take to mitigate your highest risks. And then if you're not sure where to start, we now have smart views. These are the 4 views at the top. For now, let's just find the top 10 high impact countermeasures. So that's generated this for us. And as you can see, we've got very high and high priority. And from here, you can take actions such as marking them as implemented, rejected, not applicable, and so on. You can then take a look at your dashboard to see your level of threat risk distribution, the actions that you've taken, such as there are 4 implemented here, any test results that you've also integrated into your threat model. And you will see you get an overall risk score for your threat model, which perhaps for you, your acceptable risk score is 45%, in which case there is still work to do.